Come here. Come here.
You're running.
You're running.
Because they're scaring
That was a
me.
bit extreme.
Stop it! Stop. Stop.
The 13th of September, 2025, Central Florida theme park. 2 British nationals were arrested after fleeing officers conducting a trespass escort. Charges trespass after warning and resisting an officer without violence.
Stop it! Stop. Stop. Judy. Stop. Stop.
Right, okay, that's a bit extreme.
Stop. Stop. Come here. Come here.
Wow. Right, okay, that's a bit extreme. That's
You're running.
You're running.
Because they're
That
scaring
was a bit
me.
extreme.
And what are your charges? I skipped the line at house. What are nice?
I said stop. You're running.
Really?
He said stop. I said stop.
I'm from UK. I'm scared.
What does stop mean in the UK?
Stop. I'm scared.
Okay.
I'm stupid. So stupid. All over a horror house.
Nothing. I'm Dartella. Okay? Hey, stop being a funny. Thanks that way. That's why. Christ. That's her phone too. What's going on? All we did was capture. Stop now. Let's talk about that. Well, let's start walking though. I took your stop. Well, up the stairs. Up the stairs. No. Huh? The guy. Oh, fucking hell. Start walking. I gave my computer boss. Start walking. It's not my boss. It's not my boss. That's all I've heard all night. It's your boss, your boss, your boss. I've been nice to your boss. It's not my boss. Okay, that's security. Well, take me to security's boss then. I'm the police, okay? Take me to security's boss then, because I've been nothing but nice with him all night. I've been nothing but nice with him all night. This is gotten so deep for nothing. Yeah, absolutely. 100%. You made it what it is. No. You made it what it is. Okay. Sit down. You're not in UK. You're not in UK no more. You're in America. Sit down. Sit down. Lean forward. What charges you want to charge? Guys, you guys are giving him a hard time. Oh, listen, I don't want you to talk over. I just want you to listen. I just want you to listen. I just want you to. I'll listen to you afterwards. I'm telling you what's happening right now, so that you're not shocked. Okay? You're being trespassed. Okay? That was the whole plan. Yeah. I'm not gonna talk over you. I'm not gonna talk over you. I'm trying to explain something to you. Okay? You refuse to leave. You were running back into the park. Okay? So that's trespass after warning.
Wait, sorry. Explain that. Sorry.
Oh, now you want to live.
I apologize.
So you were trespassed. Yeah. And you were trying to walk out, and then you're running into an area you're not supposed to be running. Yeah. So you're running back into the park. So you're trespass after warning. Okay? And resisting. Okay, these are charges that are being filed against you. You are going to jail. Okay? So, that's where we're at. Now, the third charge is going to be another resisting charge if we can't get an actual ID.
I've showed you from the gate.
You haven't showed me nothing. Stop comparing that to them. Listen. You haven't showed me. Hey. Listen to me.
No.
You haven't showed me. Okay. So what I'm telling you that I'm asking for your ID now, not them. I'm asking. Okay. So I'm gonna work with you, but what I'm trying to tell you is if you refuse to give me an ID, it's gonna be a third charge. Okay.
But I've showed ID from the
I'm not them. Stop comparing me to them. Okay.
From what I've heard, yeah, and I'll be honest with you. It sounds like a light charge that we push past people that want to take photos.
I don't even care about it. I don't.
Stupid of kids, bro.
Yeah, I understand how you got here, but you were just gonna get escorted out of the
Away
park.
from here, yeah.
Yeah, that's all that's gonna happen.
Like, we just wanted to see a couple of nights.
Okay.
That was it.
Okay.
We'll go home.
We're past that now. We're past that.
We said that from the next guy, and it was past that as well. We just want to go home.
Okay, well, you're gonna have to wait till tomorrow. So sit tight for a second, okay? I'm gonna explain it to your partner. Hello.
Hi.
We are not park security. Okay, we are law enforcement.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is what's happening. Okay, you were just gonna get trespassed and escorted out of the park,
Yeah.
but since you refused and ran into the park, it's called trespass after warning. Okay, which is an arrestable offense.
Okay.
So you're gonna get one charge. Resisting is another. From running away from law enforcement, we're telling you to stop. Okay, so that's 2 charges guaranteed. Okay, the 3rd charge is gonna be another resisting charge. If you can't provide an ID, I understand that you've talked to them about an ID.
Yeah.
As long as this is accurate, then you won't get that 3rd charge.
Okay, again.
Okay? Any questions?
All we were trying to do is just go to this house horror.
I understand.
We're just on holiday trying to go to this house horror.
Okay.
The thing is, like, I don't want you to think we're bad people. All we were trying to do is just go to this house horror. These people started to attack our character to say we were pushing them or whatever. We're not violent people. All we were trying to do was just go around.
Okay. And I believe that happened. Okay. But now that all this happened with us here, it's taken a second turn.
I'm
Okay.
just scared because we're sad here.
Okay.
Scared for our lives.
Okay.
Everybody asking our names, our personal details.
Okay.
We don't know what to do with ourselves.
Well, you're in America, and this is what happens. Look it up next time you come here, okay? I don't know how they play in Ukraine, or UK, I'm sorry. I don't know how they play UK. They know where you're from? United Kingdom?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know how they play over there, but this is America. We do things different. We drive on different sides of the roads. We do things different down here, okay? Okay, so, with this, you guys are going to be going to jail. They want to press charges, okay? You have to talk to a judge.
Okay.
It's out of our hands at this point,
Okay.
okay? All right. I'm just gonna type it up real quick. Yeah. He's like just 85. What's that? So they say, I mean, they did say there was like some tussle, but if they're saying that they push somebody, they're not here right now, so I'm not going to get too much about it. They're going to get trespassed. Initially, they were getting trespassed because they were pushing in line, and then it just escalated to this. So we're what's going on? Oh, with this one, he's good. He's good. It's up to you because she's adamant about his like antagonizing her and like wanting to send her. It's up to them if they want to trespass from the park. There's nothing to do with me. I explained to him that I saw. I was like, you can see him come up to you. You can see that you guys might scare him because you guys were next to each other, but nothing about any physical contact or pushing or shoving or anything like that. So there's not a whole lot that you can do because there's nothing in the time of the shows. If they want to trespass, that's up to you guys for that one. Yeah, just so you know. Okay. Yeah, so it's the statement saying that you're trespassing because of the showing, and that they decided to run away and ran into employee area, not leaving the park. And then we'll do our part. We're telling them to stop at everything, and we'll make the type of routine after that. All right, no worries, man. Hey, stop. If you keep moving, I'm just gonna put you in the car. Okay, the car, it's gonna be more uncomfortable in the car than it is sitting in this chair.
Can I talk to you?
Yeah, you can talk to me.
I just want a conversation.
Yeah, go ahead. What do you want to talk about?
What can I do to get out of the situation?
You have to talk to a judge in the morning. I know, it's hilarious.
A judge? I can't get the hair out my face at this point.
You can't get the what?
The hair on my face.
Yep.
I need to sit down with the judge.
Okay, so next time.
I've showed you my ID.
Yeah, so
take a picture of my ID.
You can't run.
She knows who I am.
You can't run into the park. All right. Stand up so I can fix these for you. Stand up.
My body, like, I don't have a skirt on. I just have a skirt.
Okay. I didn't pick this outfit. You want me to fix the cuffs or not?
I suppose I was coming down. I mean, horror night.
One more time.
I just thought I was coming down because I mean, horror night. I didn't like that fire.
You did until this all took place. But I have no control. They were just gonna escort you guys out. That's it.
That's all.
And that's all that was gonna happen. But when you started running into an area, that's supposed.
Yeah, because like, what's this?
Who does that? Is that what you guys do in UK? Yeah. When law enforcement comes and gets in front of you guys and starts talking to you guys take off to a different location? They allow that?
What?
I'm asking. I'm asking.
What you asking for?
Huh?
How big is the ceiling?
If somebody, I want to fix it. I want to fix it for you. Jesus Christ, ladies.
Jesus Christ.
Stand up so I can fix it for you, okay?
I'm free.
Do you want me to fix it for you? Lean forward. Lean forward.
Okay.
Lean forward, because
Okay.
I have to lock it so I don't keep getting tied on you. Stop. Okay, so lean forward so I can take. Okay, so you can lean forward, or I'm gonna pick you up. You can pick. Okay. No, it's not on me. It's on you. They're not on me. No, they're not on me. They're on you. What makes you think they're on you?
You don't think I know this shit?
Huh?
I went this shop as well. Do you not think I know if I can look off it was tighter?
Just stay still. That's all you have to do.
Yeah, it's went tighter on Mars. Why is it tighter? Do you not think I know that?
So stop moving.
I have to
So you know it. Stop moving. You don't have the same colors as me.
I do.
No, those are American made.
You know what I mean?
What's up?
Everything?
Yeah, both of them. Yeah, they want to press charge on both.
Okay.
So.
I'm gonna call 40 for both of them.
He'll use my car, or I'll take him. Either way, if I take him, he just has to take over processing until I come back.
Okay, that'll work.
You have one just like this somewhere, correct?
100%.
Okay.
I've showed that already.
But not to me. You keep saying that, but you didn't show me
So
anything.
what's the difference? You haven't explained it to us though. It's a handcuff. My hands are
You're asking a question. Like, can you just let me answer one at a time? Okay. You just ask what's the difference, right? You showed this to somebody already, right? You didn't show it to a law enforcement officer.
I've showed that already.
Not to a law enforcement officer.
Because it didn't escalate that badly.
Okay, so now you're talking to.
Sure.
You're asking what's the difference. I need you to show me now. Okay, where's your
How?
Okay, you have a phone, correct?
100%.
Okay, is it in your phone?
It's in my bag.
It's in your bag? It's in your bag? Okay.
My ID is in my phone, yeah.
Is it in your phone or your bag?
Said that. My scanner's not that tiny. Get my cash down.
Alright, can you relax? You're doing way too much.
I'm not.
Yes, you are. You're being way too extra right now.
I'm not.
Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Is your ID in here?
Open up for this. Because, to be honest with you, it's been actually not too late. I do that.
Oh, that's right. Look at how simple that was.
Exactly. You showed me it. You have to look at it before. Have you?
I've never showed you?
You've never showed me
You've
it.
never showed me. Sit down.
Florida Statute 810-092B requires 3 elements: an authorized warning to leave willful re-entry onto property and property other than a structure or conveyance. All 3 elements were met on the facts of this footage. The trespass after warning charge is legally supportable. A warning was communicated by an authorized person. The subjects re-entered a restricted employee area. No significant constitutional challenge arises on these facts. Florida Statute 843.02 criminalizes resisting an officer without violence. The statute requires the officer to be in the lawful execution of a legal duty. Without that predicate, the charge fails as a matter of law. Terry v. Ohio 392 U.S. 11968 permits brief investigatory stops upon reasonable articulable suspicion. A prior trespass complaint and a reported physical altercation with other guests satisfied that threshold before the subjects fled. Illinois v. Wardlow 528 U.S. 1192000 held that unprovoked flight from police contributes to the totality of circumstances establishing reasonable suspicion. The subject's flight reinforced, not undermined, the lawfulness of the officer's stop. Because officers had reasonable articulable suspicion before the subjects fled, a command to stop during a lawful Terry stop constitutes lawful execution of a legal duty under Statute 843.02. The resisting charge survives the threshold analysis. Hiibel v. Nevada 542 U.S. 177-2004 held that demanding identification during a lawful investigatory stop does not violate the Fourth or Fifth Amendments. Florida's absence of a standalone stop and identify statute does not change this constitutional baseline. Florida Statute 901.36 separately authorizes identification demands from persons who have been lawfully arrested. Once the trespass arrest was effectuated, the identification demand carried independent statutory authority. Graham v. Connor 490, U.S. 3861989, requires that force be evaluated from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the scene, accounting for severity of the crime and active resistance. Handcuffing was proportionate to the circumstances. Florida v. Royer 460, U.S. 4911983 distinguishes a Terry investigatory stop from a de facto arrest requiring probable cause. Officers here crossed into formal arrest with probable cause for trespass after warning already established. The detention was constitutionally valid at both stages. Lesson 1. Under Florida law, a law enforcement command to stop during a lawful stop carries immediate legal weight. Non-compliance converts a civil escort into criminal charges. Ignorance of foreign law does not constitute a defense under any Florida statute. Lesson 2. Identification demands must cite a clear statutory predicate. Imprecise legal articulation creates reversible error risk, even when underlying authority exists. Declining to charge without camera-supported evidence reflects sound judgment and reduces civil exposure under 42 U.S.C. Section 1983.